This is our most popular roller, but if you don't have the space, in California, as you know, you're limited on garage door space.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't know if there's enough guys in our area that are trained doing the extension springs.
You don't need any clearance, maybe just a couple inches just for travel.
Here we're at with the booth with David from Dura Lift. David, how are you?
Good. How are you, Santiago?
What can you tell us about all of your amazing hardware?
I can tell you that our springs are 100% U.S. made with U.S. materials.
Nice.
Manufacture everything in-house in Phoenix, Arizona, and Litchfield, Kentucky. We offer hardware kits. We manufacture our own rollers. We also offer other door accessories, including E900 one-piece springs and extension springs.
Wow, I didn't know you guys did extension springs.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we do. We manufacture our own as well out of Phoenix, Arizona.
That is fantastic. So, in Southern California, we don't have a lot of like extension springs, but I will find them very far and few. So then I think like, man, do I have to go to Home Depot for this?
No.
Okay.
No, you don't. We sell accessories like the pulleys, hardware, the safety cables.
Honestly, I don't know if there's enough guys in our area that are trained doing the extension springs. I've done them like far and few, and every time I find one again, I have to like YouTube it and be like, hey, what am I doing again?
The best way I would do it, back when I was a tech, what I would do is I would open a door up, clamp it, put a little stretch on my spring, feed the cable and everything, do all that, lower it down, and adjust it from there. Obviously, you have to adjust it with the door fully open because the springs are stretched when it's down.
Yeah. So that would be my next question. Why do extension springs, especially the side extension springs, still exist?
Low headroom, lack of clearance, because you need, X inches above your door. Even with like double low headroom, you still need like 8 to 10 inches where the spring goes. Or you can do a rear mount, but if you don't have the space, in California, as you know, you're limited on garage door space.
Yeah.
And then side springs, you don't have any opening issues, any forward back issues.
So if I still have a 12-inch radius, how much header space do I need for the extensions?
For the extension springs, you don't need any clearance, maybe just a couple inches just for travel.
Fantastic.
And maintenance, obviously.
Yeah, okay. All right, that's good to know. If there's anything that you like that you guys make that's the best from Dura Lift, what would that be?
That would be our Titan roller. This is our most popular roller, 275,000 cycle.
Nice.
Black coating, nylon, sealed cap. Our top of the line, our best seller.
Amazing. It's all good stuff. David, thank you so much for talking with us. If a dealer wanted to get information about Dura Lift, where would they go?
They would go on our website. It would be www.duralifthardware.com.
Sounds good. You guys
there.
Go there right now. Thank you, David.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome, my friend. All righty.